Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the Siacoin. It's easy to get this token. We're going to be getting it on a centralized exchange, so make sure you've downloaded Binance, and with the app downloaded, simply click on the Binance application. If you already have a Binance account, then you can proceed, but if you do not, please make sure you use our link in the description of the video below so you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, with a verified account, how can you get the SIA token? It's pretty easy. All you must do is make sure you have some crypto on your wallet. If you head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, you notice that you've got some crypto. If you do not, simply head back home, click on the deposit icon, and you could easily deposit any cryptocurrency that is accepted by Binance. And once you've deposited cryptocurrency, if you want to deposit fiat, click on the more icon, scroll and select the deposit fiat option. And once that's done, you could either deposit using your native currency like the Brazilian real, the Russian ruble, and many other currencies. So simply select one and click on continue, and you could easily make payments via transfers. So once that's done, once you've gotten some crypto on your wallet, simply head over to the convert icon. That's this convert icon right here. Click on convert, and I'm going to be converting some of my BNB to SIA. So click on ENS and search for SC Siacoin. Enter the amount you wish to convert to. Click on preview conversion and simply convert. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy the SIA coin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.